Making money online isn't something that should be hard, mostly in this modern generation whereby we have AIs that can do every single thing, and we have things like stock and crypto investment that can basically make you money even whilst you are sleeping. And in this video, I'm about revealing to you 4 of the best and easiest way you can actually use to make money even whilst you are far asleep. Yes, you heard me right. You don't have to stress yourself grinding 24/7 in order to make money off the internet. With these things I'm about sharing with you in this video, you can actually start making money off the internet with less effort, but then still getting high reward just like every other person out there. As they say, when you work smart, you earn more. When you work hard, you earn less. Just how the whole world actually rotates. So with this already said, and without taking much of your time, hello guys, if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel and welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I basically focus on sharing every single thing on how you and I can actually make money off the internet. From someone that has been working on the internet for over 4 years right now and making money off the internet full time. So with this already said, let's get straight to business. So guys, the first way to actually make money with less effort but still get high reward is simply starting a faceless social media handle with reels. Now what this basically means is that all you basically do is simply you create faceless social media reels and they post on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Now all you basically do is simply once you create these reels, you post it across these 3 platforms. Now every single month, even as a total beginner with no experience, you can be assured that $500 to $1,000 is basically coming into your wallet. Why is it so? Well, before you can actually get this, you need to know exactly the right niche to pick. And in this video, I'm going to recommend some of the best for you and also how you can create these videos. So guys, the first thing we need to do here before we get started with creating this faceless social media reels and making money is simply, one, we need to pick a niche. Now this niche is basically the topic you want to create your reels about. So personally, I'm going to recommend to you that you go for the either health niche, you go for the make money online, motivation, or relationship niche. Now basically focus on these 4 niches if you really want to make money with this system. So with these 4 niches in mind, you pick one. So for this video sake, I'll be using the health and fitness for an example. So I'll be talking about the health niche. Now once you have our niche ready, the next thing we need to do is simply we go to an AI tool known as the CapCut AI. So for that, let's get on my laptop. Let me show you how I can actually make the video. So basically for that, I'm going to come over to my laptop like this. Now before you can get on this page, the first thing you need to do is simply come over to this website here known as CapCut.com. Now this is a CapCut web version. Notice that you can't do this with a CapCut mobile app or with a desktop app. No, you can only do it with a CapCut web version. Now once you come over here, the next thing basically need to do is click on where it says free AI video maker. Now once you click on this, it's going to bring you over to this page here. Now over here, since we already have our niche, the next thing is that we'll tell this AI, we'll give this AI the topic we want to make the video about. So for example, in this scenario, I'm just going to say, I need 10 health benefits of Apple. So I want to make a video that talks about the 10 health benefits of Apple. Next up is basically, I'll come over to YouTube. Now I come over to YouTube here. Now what you are going to do on YouTube is that we need a video that already talks about something related of such, so that this AI can just copy from there. So from there, I'm just going to come over here and then okay, so here is it. Here is a video here that talks about exactly what we want. Now I'm just going to copy the link of this video. Now I'll come over to CapCut AI here. Now I'm just going to put this link here. Now what this AI is going to do is that it's going to look into that video and then take the key points and then mix it up with a topic that you've given to it. Then it will generate your own script for you. So I'm just going to click on create. So now guys, basically once your script is ready like this, the next thing you simply do is simply come over to where it says scenes. Now once you come over to scenes, you click on where it says generate AI media. Now over here you select realistic theme. You come over to the size, you go for 9:16, which is a portrait video. Next up, you basically come over down here to captions, turn on caption template, and then select the kind of caption you need. So for example, I need this one right here. Now once you have it, you come over here to scenes and then click on apply to all. Now you just click on continue. Now with these options, everything selected, this AI is going to generate a video for you. Now once your video is done, you basically click on download and then you can go upload it on your social media platform. Now basically here's what I will tell you: upload 3 videos every single day. So you can basically, it will take you less than 1 hour to actually generate 3 videos. So if you can spend an hour a day, make 3 videos, you post them one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the evening continuously for 1 month period, you are definitely going to see a high growth in your social media handles. And once you meet up with the monetization requirements, you're basically good to go. All you simply do is simply repeat what you've been doing, uploading 3 videos every single day, videos that take you less than 1 hour to make, and then you can make it $500 to $1,000 without having to stress yourself. So guys, this is the first method here. So now let's move over to the second method on our list. So now guys, the second way to actually use less effort and then make more money is simply by using AI affiliate marketing system. Now we all have been hearing about affiliate marketing from different creators, different strategies on how to generate income. But the truth is that what most people actually don't tell you that you can easily make a lot of money off affiliate marketing with less stress by using AI to do the whole process. Now, how can AI help you do the whole process? Well, it's basically simple. All you basically need to do is simply first, you need to create your social media handles. So now these social media handles could be LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. Now, these are the social media handles that you need to create, and also YouTube as well. Now, once you have all these social media handles ready, the next thing you basically need to do is simply you go to an affiliate bank and then sign up. For the sake of this video, let's use Digistore24. So I'm just going to log into my account right now. So now guys, once you create your Digistore24 account, you basically log in. It will bring you over to this dashboard like this. Now all you basically need to do is click on it says marketplace. Now this one will take you to the marketplace where you are going to see all the offers available for you to promote. Now basically once you come over here, you scroll through this section here. I basically recommend you promote more of the digital product if your system requires a digital product. So basically from here you pick any of this product. Now once you pick any of this product, the next thing you need to do is simply you come over to an AI. So for example, I'll take this particular product here, Moringa Magic Supplement. So this is a health product. So I'm just going to come over here and then click on it like this and then copy the name. So let me just grab the name. Now once you have the name all copied like this, the next thing to do is simply come over. Now once you have this type out like this simple prompt type out like this, now you don't have to worry about the prompt. Just let me know prompt down in the comment section and I'm going to respond to you with a prompt. Now once you have, you just hit enter. Now ChatGPT is basically going to give you a full strategy and an outline about the whole thing and how you can actually start promoting this product as well, and that's simple and easily. Now once this is ready, all you basically need to do is simply follow the AI instruction and then start promoting it. Now if you need more advanced lesson on how you can actually master the whole of AI affiliate marketing model, you don't have to worry yourself. This channel is always at your rescue. Check that video at the top there. In that video, I made a well-detailed tutorial on how you can actually start making money with AI affiliate marketing. Now, that video didn't just jump any step, but it took you from beginning, from getting your niche, setting up your social media handles, and every single thing you need to get ready before you start making money with the method. So just check out that video at the top there. So let's move over to the third on our list. So guys, the third one is simply crypto investment. Now, when most of you hear the word crypto investment, all that comes into your mind is simply the negative things that a lot of your social media influencers with zero knowledge about the crypto market has been telling you guys, that they lost 10 million naira, 20 million naira, 50 million naira. Most of those are just bullshit. Like, let me really tell you one thing about the crypto market. There are so many ways in which you can actually make money in the crypto market, even though you don't actually have experience. Now, most of these people you see that goes into the crypto market and then lose a lot of money and then come back complaining are people who go in there with high level of greed that actually went there to gamble with less knowledge. Now, let's push that aside. Let's focus on what we are here for. So the third way to actually make money off the internet with zero effort yet, with less effort yet high reward, is basically by investing in what we call the crypto yield system. Now, for those of you who don't know how this works yet, as usual, let me show you a practical guide on how you can do it. So, for example, you already have a little bit of money. Now, this method is for those who already have money. Yes, you need to have money to do this because this is not a free way to make money. You have to invest money to get money in return. So, for example, you have a couple of dollars in your account or in your bank account or as cash. You have a couple of money with you and you don't have anything you want to do with this money yet. So, instead of keeping this money in your local bank, whereby there's no interest, there's no return and anything, the money just sits in your account with zero value being added to it, all you can do is simply come over to Binance or any other crypto platform. So basically for me, I'm a fan of Binance. I use Binance the most. So for those of you who are interested in this system, who wants to try it out, you can use my link that will be available in this video description to sign up for Binance as well. So once you come over here, all you basically need to do is simply click on where it says in. Now once you click on this end tab, there are so many options here. Now they have the overview. Now this one takes you to the end tab whereby they show you all the opportunities on how you can actually make money off this platform. The next one here is simply the simple in system. Now this simple in system shows you how you can make money, but then not really huge amount of money. But then this is the one I will advise to a lot of you who are willing to get started with this. You have to start from here first. So basically, let me just click on simple in. So now guys, once you click on the simple in, it brings you onto this platform here where you look at it like this. Now here you can see the coins, the APR. Now the APR simply stands for annual percentage rate. Now this is basically what APR will stand for. Now duration, they have the duration. Now let me tell you how this works. Now here you can see that for if you invest in this particular coin right now, you click on it and then you see the investment option. Now they have this option here which is the flexible. Now you can see your max expected return is simply the subscription amount within the designated quality for the max APR, which includes the bonus tied APR. So basically you can make 10.94% of your investment back if you invest in this one. And then this one is simply a flexible return, meaning that what your investment is flexible, your return is flexible, meaning it's going to fluctuate. Now over here they have the one that says the fixed rate supply. Now this is 30 days. Now you cannot touch this particular one until 30 days period of time before you can get out of this investment. So basically what you do here is simply, if you click on subscribe right now, you can basically invest any amount that you are willing to lose. Then you can basically invest that into any of these tokens here. Now once you invest that, remember that the flexible option gives you the right to take back your money at any time. You can take back your money and then the profit that is generated, because the profit will be updated every 24 hours. So whatever profit that you see there, if you want to take it out after 24 hours, you can just take it out. So basically this is the 10.94% that will be returned depending on the period that you actually decided to lock this money in there. Now you can see this one here, FD. If you invest in this particular one, you have a chance to make 11.04% to 16.4% in return. You can see it here. So basically you just have to go through all of this and then go for which one you want. Now there are some that even offer higher returns. So let me just click on here. You can see this one is offering about 73.64 possible return of your investment. Now this look juicy, and at the same time know that there's a little bit of risk involved, because these are crypto. Because if you invest in any of these crypto coins, you are not investing dollar. You are not going to get the return in fiat. So basically, if you invest, let me say, auction coin, and the value of this coin goes down during the period of your investment, know that whatever amount you invested will go down. So basically, if you invested $1,000 before, maybe by the end of your investment period, the price of the coin remained the same, meaning that you are going to make 63% back. But then if the value of the coin drops, meaning that the value you actually hold will drop. Maybe if you buy this coin each for $1 before, meaning you are going to get 1,000 pieces for $1,000, meaning by the end of the period of your investment, you are going to get about $730 something back, if the coin value did not reduce. But in a situation whereby the coin value reduces from that 101 per dollar that you bought earlier on, remember that your investment will also be triggered. So you might still make profit in return, but then it might not just be as huge as what you read over here. That's why the platform makes it easier for you, that you should actually read through before you make any investment. Now for those of you who want to probably take on higher risk in higher return, well, you can come over to here. It says the advanced end. Now this advanced end is also a basic way to make money from this platform. And all you basically do is simply, they have what's called the dual investment. Now you can see settlement date is between 4 to 165 days. And then your average return could be anything up to 121.82%. Now they also have the smart arbitrage. You can see next APR is possible 1.4%, 4%, 0.006%. Now 30 days, if you hold for 30 days, this is what you stand to get. Now as usual, you can click on view more and they'll go through all. Now basically these are so many ways you can actually use to make money off the crypto market. However, for every method here I share with you, don't just rush and go and invest in it yet, because when it comes to making money online, there are some risks involved when it comes to investment. So basically do your own research before you start investing in either of these methods. Now that is the third one on our list. So guys, the final one on our list is simply investing in public US bond or ETFs. Now basically this one also requires you to have some money before you get started. So basically I balance this video. 2 allows you to make money without investing a dime, which is starting a Faceless social media reel channel and then starting an affiliate marketing business. Now the other two, the final two were one, the crypto end system, and then finally the stock investment system. Now, this one is for those of you who have a lot of cash available and you don't have anything to do with them. And like basically, we all here that we are sitting, in one way or the other, we have our savings. Now, this money, we often keep them in our bank account and then they end up adding zero to no value even after years of keeping them in there. Speaking from a personal experience, I had a lot of money in my bank account some few years back when I'm still dumb about the money system. And all I do is simply make money and keep them in my bank. And basically, they don't add any value at the end of the day. So instead of you to just abandon those money in your bank account doing nothing, what you can basically do is simply start investing in the stock market. Now, this one here is also kind of risky because when you invest in a stock, if the value of the stock goes up, your profit goes up. If the value of the stock drops, your profit also drops as well. So in general, basically investing in stocks is also risky, but then it's better than keeping that money in your bank account as inflation is going up steady. So for those of you who are interested in investing in stocks and you live in Africa, all you basically need to do is simply download the mobile app known as bamboo.com. Now just go to your Play Store right now and search for the mobile app known as Bamboo. Now once you get the app, all you basically need to do is simply sign up, log in, and then you can scroll through their investment options. You are going to see so many of their stocks that are available for you to basically invest on. So you can just invest in any of the stocks in there. Now remember that if the value of the stocks goes up, your profit goes up. If the value of the stock goes down, your profit also goes down as well. So the phone that I actually have the Bamboo on is the one I'm using to record this video right now. That's why I'm unable to show you Bamboo, because you can actually click on over here to sign up on the website as well. But I have every single thing on my phone. You can see you have to download it on your phone. So I have it on my phone and not on this other phone, so I can actually show you how that works. But basically, you can go onto YouTube here right now. They search for so many videos on how to invest in Bamboo, and you're going to see. So basically, you can start investing in the stock market. It's better than keeping the money in your bank account. Yeah, I'm going to be honest with you. I rather put so basically what I do with my personal money is that it's either I'm investing in the crypto end system that I showed you, or I basically invest in stocks and ETFs, because at the end of the day, the price of stocks will always go up. Now, for those of you who will be interested in investing in the stock market, here's a little secret for you. If you invest in already popular stocks, you are not going to make huge profit, but then you'll be way safer. Like you'll be about 80% safe that your money will be in good shape, even after a long period of holding. But on the other hand, if you invest in smaller stocks and they're unpopular companies, there's a high chance that if that company skyrocket, like what MicroStrategy did recently, just boost from about $10 to over 300 and something. If you were holding that stock before, you would have made a decent profit. But then the thing here is that when you invest in smaller businesses that are not yet popular and they don't have a strong reputation yet, there's a high chance that you might lose all your money in return. But then if you invest in already big companies like Google, Meta, Tesla, all those big companies, Microsoft and the rest, there's a high chance that you are going to make some money, but it might not be huge, depending on how much you have to invest, because those are already huge companies, so they don't move with huger pace recently. But then when you invest in smaller companies, there's a chance that it might skyrocket, you make more money, and at the same time there's a chance that it will collapse and you might not make a lot of money. So basically, if you want me to give you my honest advice when it comes to investing in stock, I would advise you to hold more of bigger companies that are already stable, like Google, Microsoft, Tesla, and then Meta and the rest. And at the same time, hold a little bit of all these unpopular companies that are yet to blow up in the market. Now, you basically have to balance these two in the market so that you can actually make some decent amount of money in return. Because in case any of the small companies skyrockets, you'll be lucky. But on the other hand, in case any of those small companies doesn't skyrocket, you have your bigger companies that you are holding that add on value almost every single month to actually cover up for everything that you lose in those small companies. So guys, these are basically the 4 ways in which you can actually make money off the internet with zero effort, but still make some decent money in return. Remember, it's better you invest your money than keep it in that bank account doing nothing, because you end up spending it at the end of the day. If you are basically either you buy something with that money, or basically if you don't have anything to buy with the money, like you already have a lot of lands available, a lot of properties available, put that money in the stock market or the crypto market and sit back and enjoy yourself. Always remember to do your own research, because investment is highly risky, but we are born to risk. Have a nice day. Bye.